How to disable Discord on startup. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Discord application, right? Now on here, you'll see your, what I want you to do is to go here to your user settings, tap on user settings here, and scroll all the way down up until you see the app settings section. So under the app settings, you'll see a lot of options there. Tap on the Windows settings and you will see three different options. Now, let's say you want to not open Discord automatically once you open up your computer, or just remove Discord as one of your computer startup. Then here you will see open Discord. Toggle that off, and here you have successfully disabled Discord on startup. So here you will see X here, and basically that's it. That's how you disable Discord on startup, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.